Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is March 22nd, 2024, and this is a weekly trade review. I haven't done these in a while, I know, but this is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. No trade recommendations here. Again, just showing you kind of like what I do and all, and I call it good trade, bad trade, because one of them was my normal good trade that I normally do, and then one of them, as I say even to myself, you think you got this game, then you get fathead, and you throw in a trade that you really shouldn't throw in because all the stars weren't aligned on that particular trade, but you took it anyway. So that's the whole thing with trading. Again, sometimes I'm getting to the point where maybe I only have one or two good trades in me in the morning and I need to be patient and wait for those trades and all. But let's look at the chart and let me show you what I'm talking about. Again, all I'm showing here is pivots and candles and all. I'm not getting into a lot of indicators. This is the pivot right here. We're on the pivot, so and another line is not showing up here. My custom pivots are not on here. Let me see if I can put my custom pivots here for you guys. User define studies here, right here. Which one I want to use? Let me use that one. See if it shows up. Yep, it shows up. And yep, it shows up. That's the thing that I don't like. Let me see if I can get this back on here. Also, support resistance is going to be this. No, they won't put both of them on there at the same time. I kind of hate this. Um, uh, this, please, let this day. Getting to see a little bit more of the platform here. It's okay with me because I probably will be putting this out, but a lot of times what I want to do here is go over here. And I just want to put the one on if I can see it here. So I do not see it here. See it there. Let me see if I see it here. There it is. Yeah, apply. See what we get. Okay. All right, we got both of them on here now. What I want to put on, first of all, this is my SVE pivots up here. That's we're showing us on the pivot, and we're fighting pivot right now in the live market. I am looking at the live market. I made my trades, and I'm done. It's actually almost time for me to get ready to go to the job. I laugh about that. Some of us know what I mean when I say that. But let's zoom in here. First of all, and I'm gonna have to redo this anyway because I'm using a different headset, and I don't know if the volume is gonna come out, the sound is gonna come out like too. Uh, Red candle down. This strategy that we do with I'm looking at QQQ on March 22nd. It's a Friday, and what we usually do, I'm gonna just zoom in here a little bit like this, where you can see really big, you know one of my old few friends, he's been trading lately, and we was looking at this, and he was wondering about does the strategy still work? I said, yeah, it still works. So it was a red candle to the downside. He actually played the downside, made his money to the downside, and then we saw that I saw it was getting close to this line. I saw this right here happening, and I got in here on this candle here somewhere and all, and rolled it back to the upside. So this was my quick, easy trade. Let me get rid of this too. This is a marker that I had because I was in the trade a little bit longer than I expected, and if the market came down to here, maybe I should start thinking about coming out, getting out, but it never did come down to that point. So quick, easy trade. Uh, Things kind of messed up when I changed the size of stuff. So let me go back here. Quick, easy trade was right here. Oh, let me do this. Man, I really don't have to do this over. Quick, easy trade. I got in on this candle. I got out on this candle. Less than 5 minutes. I'll show you the actual trades too and all. Everything. This is kind of like one of my ones where, yeah, everything was aligned up. Everything was just right. As you can see, it's right here on this SVE pivot and all. I expect the bounce, and it did bounce just like I expected, and I made the money that I was looking to make on that particular trade and all, no problem and all. But then, like you say, you did a great trade that first time and all. Then you see the market pulling back. Oh, it's only going to pull back to here. You start thinking that you know what's going on and all. You get into another trade right here, and the market keeps dropping at all. So this was the second quick. It wasn't an easy trade. It came right back down to where I should have, could have got in at, but I was already in, and that's why you guys saw that other market down here below. I didn't want the market to break that low, and all for me to be able to get out of that trade. So if I would played just on my pivots, again, that's why I'm showing you just pivots. This is a good one. It doesn't happen like this all the time, but it happens often enough for me, and based on what I'm looking at and how I trade, these pivots work out great. And that's why I'm saying no other indicators are needed. The other thing that I realized when I was telling the guy, we was below, this is previous day low. I said the market is actually really kind of down. Yes, you probably would get it down, but I'm going to be playing the bounce. And as soon as the bounce happened, I was in the bounce and played it back to the upside. Quick trade. Second trade, looking for the pullback, another pullback from yesterday's low and all, but I got in too early. I got a little bit impatient. It ended up going against me a little bit more. So I ended up being in that trade. I didn't get out of that trade until like 12 o'clock, a little after 12. So for me, that was a long time in that trade, almost 2 hours. Now the trades themselves, I actually kind of show you the details on that. Let me just maximize this. This is the last one that I got. These are execution times. So it was at 10:14. I actually got into the trade. I got out of the trade at that time. I got in for $3.80. Got out at $4.02. The thing is over like $4.50 probably now. But a lot of times that's all I look to make on my trades is 20 cents. Based on the number of contracts that I'm actually trading, I am okay with that at all. Second trade, let's take a quick look at that. That was that one. The other trade, I'm going to maximize this screen. The other trade, is this the first one? Yes, this is the first one. This is the first trade right here. I was in there at 9. That's the order date. Is that execution time? That's probably execution time too. Let me, execution time. Was this the buy? The sell. The buy. That's the sell. The buy probably is usually I'm buying right at this probably was the execution time. That doesn't look. That order date. That could be the date, the time that the trade was actually placed, and the execution time for me getting out of that trade is right there. This is the exit for 57, the entry for 45. Again, this trade here, only 12 cents. Again, based on the number of contracts that I'm actually trading, I'm okay with that and all. And pretty much that's all I really want to share is show you, the chart, first of all, and show you that, I'm actually trade. And sometimes, you're in and out of these trades for definitely less than 10 minutes and all based on the order dates. Order times, that's 9:46, 9:48, that's 2 minutes and all. But execution time was 52. So that's why I'm thinking, and I already closed down my accounts. Still, I think I was in this trade for less than, it was only a 5-minute count, so I'm pretty sure it was less than 5 minutes. I was actually in that trade. I played the bounce. And that's all I really want to share. Again, learn to use your indicators. Just gotta trust them and be patient. And that's all I really want to share. This is Solomon. It's Hot Trader. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And look out for my weekly market reviews that will be coming up this weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.